Hey guys, we already know that OnePlus 6 is launching May 16th in London. So let's talk about the all features of OnePlus 6. This was confirmed by both the co-founders of OnePlus, Carl Pei and Pete Lau. Carl Pei posted on Twitter, while Pete Lau posted a detailed blog post. He explained why a notch-style display is better, and why they opted for it on the OnePlus 6. From rumors it is evident that the OnePlus 6 will have a 6.2-inch notch-style screen, with a 19 by 9 aspect ratio, and a resolution of 2280 by 1080 pixels. Also confirmed by the company, the OnePlus 6 will be powered by Qualcomm top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 processor. The company posted a teaser image on Weibo, which showed Snapdragon 845 processor, as well as teased about 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. We expect the phone to come with various RAM and storage options, including 6GB, 64GB, 6GB, 128GB, and 8GB, 128GB. We don't have any major rumors about the battery, but it is expected to be a 3500 mAh battery. There have been rumors that the device will feature a powerful camera, consisting of a 20-megapixel plus 16-megapixel camera combination, just like what was found on the OnePlus 5T from last year. However, the camera is expected to feature some enhanced features compared to OnePlus 5T. A recent teaser suggested the presence of AI features on the OnePlus 6 camera. The smartphone will be running Android 8.1 ARIA operating system out of the box, with the company's own Oxygen OS interface on top. The bottom edge of the OnePlus 6 features a 3.5mm audio jack, the USB-C slot at the center, and an external speaker. The left edge of the OnePlus 6 has an alert slider, and followed by the volume rocker. As far as design is concerned, the OnePlus 6 will be arriving with the glass rear. Also, it is expected to carry certain level of waterproofing too. What do you think about the appearance of the real OnePlus 6? Share us your views by posting your comments down below.